Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell, and I'm going to show you how to use the stamping feature for the Works tool. This tool has the same grid printed as the Precision Press Advanced tool. It's got spring-loaded feet, and the magnetic posts allow that to stamp precisely every time in exactly the same spot, so you get the same precision that you do with the Precision Press. It's perfect for small-scale projects, so go ahead and cut your paper down and then place it on the board. If you're using a thinner paper like vellum or text weight paper, you can slip a piece of cardstock underneath there for extra stability. Then you're going to put your stamp down where you want that to go on your paper. Then you'll take your plate, put that down, and press to adhere the stamp to the plate. And then I just like to use my fingers to make sure that's on there nice and solid. Then I grab my ink and add the ink to the stamp. And with the Precision Press, I don't have to worry about whether or not I get that perfectly inked if I accidentally miss a spot. The beauty is that you can go right back and do it again, and it'll go right in the same spot. Then we press down, and again, you get that nice even pressure because of the spring-loaded feet, and there's your image. And if you want to restamp that to add even more color or to fix any spots you might have missed, you just re-ink it and stamp it again. And you get a perfect impression every time. If you'd like to learn more about the other features for the Works tool, check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me.